Oh, this one is very long. It's very, very long. Good girl. You have no toenail on that toe. I don't think I ever noticed that before. You got one missing toenail. Oh, you're gripping so tight with the other one though, huh? Are you making up for it? You're making up for it. What do you mean? There we go. Okay. All right. And you're in luck. You only have one left since you had a missing toenail. All right, sweetie.